Family, listen up. Boy, we're talking about the remedies that raise we, save we, and sometimes nearly kill we. On Saturday morning runnings, March 7 at 10 a.m. From bush tea to bush rat soup, Caribbean fact or fiction. We're talking bush tea for every sickness, bush rat soup for whooping cough, and the famous newspaper upon your chest to stop the vomiting. Plus, kerosene lamp oil for rub your chest, Irish moss, Guinness and egg for stamina, and the legendary cure, all bottled with pimento, white rum, dead scorpion, ganja, and a few more secret mixtures we dig up. Did these things actually work? Were they miracle cures or old-time myth? We're breaking it down with laughter, culture, and real Caribbean truth. Join us live on YouTube at Voices with Lady D. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because every week we bring the stories, the memories, and the conversations that keep our culture alive. Saturday morning runnings, where culture meets conversation.